Hey there! In this video, we're going to be talking about using Google Meet. There will be a second really short 2-minute video that will show you how to use Google Meet attendance, but you will be using Google Meet in the classroom this year, and the first time you open it up, it will ask you to set it up, but I've already done that in this classroom. So this link is now live. My students can click right here on Meet, or they can click here to get to any meetings that I set up. Now, sometimes teachers, especially if you're a virtual teacher, may want to do some teaching whole group and then divide the groups up into individual breakout rooms, so with separate meets. For right now, you'll need to set up individual meetups using Google Meet, and we have some links that can show you how to do that. You can't all be in this one and be in separate rooms, but sometime in September, they're actually going to roll out where you can do breakout rooms within the Google Classroom. So just know the procedure for doing that will change. Right now, you'll just have to set up individual class meets that you share links to in a doc if you wanted them to be in breakout rooms. So be sure that when you're sharing your link, you're using the Google Classroom Meet. That's the safest option. And like I said, teach your students how to get to it. And then just know that some procedures will be changing. So for those of you that are new to Google Meet and aren't sure how to set up a Google Meet, if I go to meet.google.com, all I have to do is click join or start a meeting. If you've never done it before, it might ask you for permission to use your microphone. You can give it a name. So if I want to call this Breakout Room 1, and now I can choose to join this and set it up for other people to join. So I could do a Breakout Room 1, Breakout Room 2, Breakout Room 3. And if I want to share that, they can either join via the nickname, or I can click this link. So I could make a hyperdoc where I shared the links to the various breakout rooms and said which students would join those. This is a fun little feature where kids can raise their hand if they're in your meet, or react with the emoji. So that's kind of fun as well. That is something that you could download. So I do have a quick 2-minute video for you to watch that shows you how to use the Google Meet attendance. I can't model it here because I don't have anyone in the classroom.